These are the elevators to all of the levels.
Behind here used to be JC
Providence Place Mall.
Really? Yeah, you can kind of tell it's kind of new.
Providence, Rhode Island.
Yeah. There it goes. This is the one that goes to D. Secret level.
Whoa. Oh, let's go down to the D.
The secret D level.
Oh yeah, we go down.
They tore JCPenney out and made it into a parking garage.
Yes.
Okay, I get the one with the broken indicator. That's as the.
This is the security corridor.
Okay, let's get a 3.
Yep.
And now we're gonna open that.
The trash can.
Ding.
Seven.
Nice, that one has indicator problems.
Oh, we're on the 7th floor.
No.
I didn't know this. Actually, wait. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, look.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh look. Look at that lantern.
Oh, it's punched out.
Yeah. Yeah, we should call that one and see if the bulb is working.
I think the other one's out of service.
That one is?
Hey, let's try. Yeah. Leave it.
Oh look, the bulb works on that one.
Oh.
I just heard the other one ring.
I think it works.
This other one?
Yeah. See over there? That's used to be this one door right there.
Oh yeah.
We have elevators too. The bulb, I don't want to think it. Oh, the bulb doesn't work. But it does work.
Yeah. See.
Right. Haven't been to this one. See, the butter layout is also different.
Yeah, it is.
Here we go. Ding.
This one's also louder.
Ding. 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 Ticket to ups to whatever floor you want to go to.
Here's the other one.
That's lovely.
Alright, and what floor are we going to right now?
Let's go back to.
Three.
Where do I go, Jay?
Don't care. Ding.
This one goes 350 feet per minute.
Oh boy, these things are fast then.
All the parking garages elevators are fast.
Whoa.
The North Star one has a really tall ceiling and they're huge. Alright.
Let's go down to 1, Jay.
One.
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 Uno.
There goes something to eat then.
Nice elevators, you can see.
1.5. I like that 0.5.
It used to be M.
Really?
One middle, one end and 2 end.
Oh, really? Did they change it?
I guess because people are so confused. Well, I guess that is going to be it.
Uno wheelchair.